With this fast meteoric growth of the industry, it would lead us to wonder whether this sneaker reselling meteor would burst or crash. There is always a way to keep the business going, even if you face a dead end. But that is not likely to happen anytime soon. With sneaker reselling, you practically will be doing what you love most for the rest of your life, which is staying updated on sneaker info, copying sneakers, and reselling them for the highest bidder. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. So, what exactly is a sneaker reseller? A sneaker reseller is someone who purchases sneakers at retail price and then sells the product for a profit. Resellers can make a lot of money by purchasing them at the right time and is a good way for people to make money. Brick flipping process is very simple. Step 1. Buy about 10 to 20 pairs of some shoe which has the potential to go for at least 20 to 30% in the resale market. Step 2. Sell them for a small profit of about $20 per shoe, and that's how you make $200 profit in a week. But is step 1 really that simple? Previously, reliable resellers would camp overnight outside retail outlets on the evenings before releases, ensuring they'd be the first to snap up the newly released items before sellout. That still happens, but the emergence of the internet has shifted the product release, queuing, and buying online. How do sneaker resellers buy so many pairs? It sounds easy, but these sneaker resellers put their eyes on highly demanded limited edition sneakers and resell them to sneakerheads and sneaker collectors. And the same way you would want to get your hands on these limited edition sneakers, there are many resellers out there trying to do the same with the best means possible. So the competition is always heated, especially on sneaker release dates. Your best chance at copying these sneakers and making thousands out of flipping them is to have an all-in-one bot by your side to guarantee your success. Or you could join a Cook Group that does all the research work for you. Where do sneaker resellers contact buyers? And sneaker reselling platforms have surely made things easier for resellers. 10 years ago, it was either the eBay guy or the message board guy, which was so much work. The internet and eBay made reselling into a cottage industry, while platforms like StockX made it into a business. Nowadays, reselling places like StockX, Stadium Goods, Grailed, Flight Club, and more have made it so much easier to know how much your pair is worth. Why you should consider brick flips? Firstly, brick flips are generally easy to purchase, even as a beginner for reselling. Therefore, it is almost a guarantee that you will manage to buy 1 or 2 pairs at a minimum cost, securing your definite profit, even if it is a small return. Secondly, not only can you buy them in bulk relatively easily, but with the rise of secondary markets, you can sell them in bulk easily too. Websites such as StockX and GOAT allow you to instantly sell your products through an incredibly easy user experience. These sites also allow you to send your sneakers in one box together, depending on your activity on the site. Thirdly, because brick flip in general are not marked up hugely over retail price, there tends to be high demand for them, as many people are able to afford them. But to attain a large return from brick flips, you need a lot of capital to start with in order to buy multiple pairs. Otherwise, you will end up becoming stuck making small returns on individual pairs of shoes. And there is the possibility that for a while this type of shoe will actually brick, meaning their price goes all the way down or below retail after release. And so, in order to gain a profit, you have to hold on to the shoe for a while the price rises. You could join a Cook Group. They typically provide you with a lot of useful information to help you determine when is the best time to resell. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out which sneakers are good brick flips can be very easy, as you always get notified when to buy which shoe and when it is the right time to sell for maximum profits. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.